Hello everyone, good morning. Today we are going to learn new topic, that is the articles. Okay, now what is articles? Let's see. Before that, I would like to recall vowels and consonants. Okay, so let's recall vowels and consonants. So here you can see alphabet. There are 26 alphabet, and in that vowels and consonants are there. So how many vowels are there? 5. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so there are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Together they make 26 alphabets. Okay, so vowels are A, E, I, O, U, as you remember, and consonants are rest of this B, C, D, F, G, H, and so on. So there are 21 consonants and 5 vowels. Okay, so now you can see here I have written some name. So this is umbrella. So umbrella is starting with U. So U is a vowel. Okay. For vowel we write an. Okay. An umbrella. And this is pen. So this is starting with P. Okay. So P is consonant. So for consonant we write A. Okay. So A and N are articles. Okay, A and An are called articles. Okay, so you see here apple. So A is vowel. So here again you will write an apple. Okay, for vowel we write an, and for consonant we write a book. Okay, now again here it is elephant. It is starting with E. So E is vowel. So again you will write here an elephant, and this is chair. Okay, so C is consonant, so you will write here a chair. Okay, so you understood? For vowels we will write an, and for consonants we will write a. Okay, it is very easy. So A and an are called articles. Okay, now I am going to show you a short clip which is in your MyPedia app. Okay, about this article, so you can understand it better. Okay, so let's see that video.
Articles A, an. The article A is used in singular countable nouns which begin with the sound of a consonant. Examples: I have a book and a pen. Here, we are using A before book and pen, which begin with a consonant sound. We use A if the naming word begins with a consonant sound. For example, a cow, a hen, a tree, a pen, a boy, a banana, a ship, a teacher, a car, a bear, a mango, a guava. The article an is used before singular countable nouns which begin with a vowel sound. Examples: I eat an egg every day. I saw an owl sitting on a tree. Here we have used an before egg and owl, which are beginning with a vowel sound. Some more examples: an egg, an apple, an umbrella, an orange, an ice cream, an engine, an actor, an eagle, an ink bottle, an aeroplane, an elephant, an arrow. Remember that an means one or single. You cannot use an with plural nouns. Example: I saw bears in Yellowstone National Park. In the above sentence, we have not used a or an before bears because it is in plural form. In this chapter, you have learnt articles A, an.
now to practice more these articles, we are going to do worksheet 3.6, that is page number 36 in your application book. So be ready with it, and I will just explain it and rest you will do it. Okay, so that will be your homework. So let's start. Okay, we are on worksheet 3.6. Let me explain you. We use an with words that begin with A, E, I, O, U, that is vowels, and we use A with words that begin with all other letters, that are consonants. Okay, so now words beginning with consonants and words beginning with vowels. Okay, so here is B, at, bat. So B is consonant, so it is written a bat. H, at, hat. Hat is, H is consonant, so a hat. A monkey, a chair, a woman. Then an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. So here you can see all the naming words are starting with vowels. A, E, I, O, U. So for vowels we write an, and for consonants we write A. Okay, now tick the correct answer. I met an friend in the market. So here it is friend. So friend is starting with F. So F is a consonant. So you will tick a friend. Okay. Then my sister wants dash pencil. So P, again it is a consonant. So here you will underline a pencil. Okay. Or you can cross out an. Okay. So my mom bought dash umbrella yesterday. A or an? Yes, it will be an umbrella. Okay, so cross out A. Then here A or an, parrot lives in the tree in our garden. So parrot. So it is starting with P. P is consonant. So here you will cross out an. So a parrot lives in the tree in our garden. Okay, so on you will complete this. Okay, now next let's see. Yes, now you can see here second question, will you use a or an before these words? Okay, so here it is word and here you will write article a or an. Okay, so insect, so it is starting with I, you will write an. Okay, because I is vowel. Now here table, so T is consonant, so here you will write A. Okay, so on you will complete this. Okay, so now this is same in a paragraph way. We went to the market, we bought dash apple dash mango. So apple starting with vowel A, so and mango starting with consonant M, so a mango. Okay, and so on you will complete this. Okay, now we are done with the articles a and an, and you got homework also. So complete worksheet 3.6 and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care.